To create application form in Typeform, click the plus create a new form button and you will direct to a three choices. Choices number 1 is start from scratch. Choices number 2 is import questions and choices number 3 is create with AI. But in this case, I'm going to choose start from scratch. Now you can choose any elements you want to put in to your form. For now, I'm going to put a short text. In here, you can put whatever you want to put in. You can also choose any element you want to use for your type form. But in this case, I'm just going to put. You can put anything you want to put. It's up to you. Once you're done, click the publish button and that's it. If you want to try it out, copy the link and paste it to the new tab. And that's how you create a application form in Typeform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.